Hello! Today, I'm going to share with you how to use our job application tracker. So first, in this section, you can attach your resume, cover letter templates, and CV so you can easily reference back to it when you're applying for jobs. So for example, you can embed the resume here. You can choose this file. You will look for your application details. So you have that. Or you can also link or embed your Google Drive resume. So you can do that. And here in this section, this is like a KPI system that tracks your progress per day. This is SAT standard. This is the number of jobs added per day and the number of jobs applied per day. So for you to understand, let's get through it. So first you need to do is click this button. It will create immediately a page containing the date of the day. And then as you can see, there's 00. So we need to add an entry. So then after that, you need to go here, take that. In this, add the date today. And then you can add now your job posting titles, company role. So let's do that. Let's go here. So I'm using Upwork. This is Greg from Upwork. So we can change that later once we know more details. And then here, you can add your role. So in my case, I'm a information system builder. And then the industry, this is a operation system. So later on, as your application populates, you can choose here your previous roles added, and you can edit here the logo. So you can do that here as well. So we can do that customizations. You can see, and we can put here expected salary, job post link, location, work. So I'm going to set it to priority. So for example, now you've added, so you have a one added job. Now you will apply today. Set this to apply. So you have a job added. The best thing about this is once you added this application date, it will automatically calculate how much days had passed since application. And then you can add as many as you want. And as you can see, you have 3 job added, but only 1 is applied. So you can do this per day, and then all table, you can see here all the jobs you've added throughout the week or the month. And then here we have the gallery view, color coded according to status. And then here is Kanban, the status of your job application based on grouped by your roles. And for example, you have a lot of rejected or ghosted job applications. You can archive it. So everything that remains is just the one who's still in the process. But you can still access them here in the archive.